Yes, in the houses, people prayed with the priest. After that services, prayer services, they brought to the church. Then in the church, bishops and so many priests conducted prayer services. Then only we brought so many coffins to the cemetery. So here again, one priest always prayed for dear departed brothers and sisters. After the prayer services, we buried with the help of our people. Yes, actually we want to understand who is buried in this place. According to the numbers, we can explain who are the people. So future we will help those families to make permanent crosses here, and they can pray for their dear departed brothers and sisters.
The same time must be very difficult.
Actually, it is a sad moment, so we are also weeping with the people. We didn't expect this incident in the church on Easter Sunday. So, according to our scripture, we have to tolerate, but we are weeping with the people, and we are praying for the dead. And